Hello, this is David from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I'd like to show you this 2026 Harris 230 Solstice. This boat just arrived. You can see it's in diamond white with a black accent color. It's got the RPM chassis, the new Halo Power Bimini top. As I come around the aft here, you can see we have the lily pad ladder, the rear safety system, a 300 horsepower Verado in black. Up on deck, we have the single lounger. We have stereo controls, onboard charger. The only tube-rated tow bar in the industry. Flip-up cleats. Raised helm. The upgraded floor. In-floor storage. The 9-inch Simrad with the dual analog gauges. Of course, active trim. Interior, exterior lighting, Bimini lighting, dock lights. Nice easy controls right there. Plenty of cup holders with charge ports tucked underneath. Storage underneath every single seat. You can see the white carries in and the gray accent on the seating. This boat just arrived from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'll show you the rest of the boat. Thank you.